Hi guys, today's book is about Pete the Cat and it's called Pete the Cat Groovy Bake Sale. Let's read this fun book together. Pete the Cat is excited about his school bake sale. There we have school and the boss and a bake sale Friday and his friend Kelly. Pete wants to bake a treat. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets, as we all do. Pete loves cookies, Pete loves pies, Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. Yummy. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stores and stores. Pete makes a big mess. He rolls the dough into balls and his mom helps put them into the oven. They wait for cookies to bake. They smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies are burnt. Oh no, they waited for too long. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. He tries to make pudding pie, but runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. He has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries and the pudding and stirs. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. Pete puts the tray in the fridge. The next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. What a nice name! His mom helps him scoop his treats into little cups. He brings them to school. Pete puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. What is that? Asks Kelly. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone. It must be so yummy. But Pete saves one. He gave it to his mom. Thanks for your help. What a nice book. Thank you guys for reading with me. See you all next time. Bye-bye.